What's up? What's up? Wait, how do I share this to the group? Let me check. Let me check. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. What's good? What's good? Anyone who's been joining? I don't know how many of you are in here. What's up, guys? Yo, what up? What up? I see you. I see my chat. I see my chat. I'm excited. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing, man? It's been such a long time. Peace be upon you too, man. Peace be upon you too. Been a long time for sure, for sure. I don't know how long has it been, but man, it's been quite some time. Super, super. I don't know. I've changed. I've been into a new place right now. It's a new place. It's a new place. Yo, what up, Lothar? What up, John? At Q, Maybelline, man. You're always here. You're always here. Thank you so much for coming in. I'm just wanted to check in with you guys because it's been such a long time. I just want to give you guys live updates and you know, can you guys hear my voice? I'm sorry, I just went overboard. Can you guys hear my voice? Is the voice visible? Hello. Can you guys hear me? I think so. Hello? Hello? I don't think so. Yes. Okay, perfect. 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 I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm just talking on my own. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my god. It feels nice to be able to speak to you because the Telegram we block off the comments because there's so many scammers. So at least I can see you guys chat over here and I can chat with you. You can reply and stuff. Maybe I'm gonna do Telegram live next and open the mic and let you guys speak with me. Just chat with you guys and maybe answer some questions that you guys are wondering about in this current market. It's terrible. It's a terrible market. So yeah, it's a live check, and there's like very few of you here because it's not the proper timing. Okay, it's morning. I mean, it's afternoon in Korea, but probably in the US, people are sleeping. They're sleeping like a baby right now. So yeah, there's not gonna be many people here. So if you guys are here, just be active. Ask me questions. Like if you guys have any question right now, just ask. I'm gonna pull up the charts and show the market updates, what I think about the market, what I think about going forward, what's my plan going to be, when is the next cycle going to start, what's the potential coin to collect, what am I looking at, what's my opinion regarding the US market, anything, just ask. If I don't know the question, I'll say it to you that I don't know the answer for it, right? Thank you for coming in. So yeah, it's my new place. I moved out here beginning of March. So I don't know, a few months before I need to prepare to get out from my old house. And right now I'm in my new house. Of course, it's not it's not a fancy place because I'm a student. If you guys don't know me, I'm still a student. Okay? I'm still studying right now. It's computer science, man. I'm still studying. So I hope this brings inspiration to you guys to not give up because I've been in the market for the past 5, 6 years. And here I am talking to you guys. Give us a call out before the group chat. Oh, you guys want some alpha, huh? You guys want some alpha, huh? Well, the alpha is there's going to be an alpha. Yeah, there's going to be. I'm gonna tell you guys what I will be buying, of course. Probably not in this chat. Probably not in this chat. But who knows? Who knows? If I say something, you guys caught it. Uh, you're lucky. You're lucky enough. Not meme coins though, of course. Not meme coins. Not meme coins because I'm very far away from meme coins right now. Probably XE. XE is still trading meme coins. Not me. I'm I'm a fellow swing trader. I trade valuations. I trade the market whenever it gives, cheap prices. And I do collect stuff, like high quality stuff. And one more thing that I'm saying that I'm gonna say that I do right now is I trade futures. I was learning to trade futures for the past 6 months, 5 months, 6 months now. Trading futures. Not any futures, like I trade futures on gold, silver, oil, Nasdaq, ES. I'm starting to get a hang of it. Just learning futures. That's why I don't post anything, right? I was locking in to learning all this future stuff, and I don't want to teach you guys about futures if I don't master it myself. That's why I keep quiet, right? There's this, ethic when you want to teach something to people or when you want to give advice to people, you have to actually know or like be successful or like at least get the basics right on the things that you want to teach about. So I'm into futures right now, but I don't give any comments about futures market, right? Because I want to give a proper education about the market, not just, oh, I'm doing this, let's do this together. Then there's no upper hand that you guys are learning from me. So it's better that I figure things out, learn how to do stuff and get the basics right, know how to teach y'all about futures, and then I come out and teach futures. Okay, let me just share the chart. Let me share my window. Tell your screen one. Yep, let me just share this. Yeah, that's a chart. This is the gold chart, bro. This is a gold chart. Let me just move on. I'm trading this. I'm trading this and all this. I hope you guys can see the screen. So yeah, that's about it for my life. I don't want to talk more unless you guys ask question. Just ask question, bro. Just do random shit. Just ask question. I don't care. I don't care. Right? Um. So yeah, I think we got no questions. Looking forward to that. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna give you guys an alpha and stuff. And talk in the Telegram. Thank you for supporting this. Very few of you, but I appreciate it a lot. It's few is better than none. Few is better than none. So yeah, let's talk about the market right now. To be frank, the major top of 2025 is already in. All right. So don't get your head twist thinking, oh, the market top is not in. It's already in. Just like the major top for 2021 is in. You guys need to take note that bull market usually begins, this is a 4-year cycle. Bull market for crypto, for Bitcoin, usually begins 1 year before the halving. So when was the halving? In 2021, it was 2020. So let's see, in 2020 is over here. It was way over here. 2020. Let's see. The Bitcoin price was around $7,000 to $10,000. And when the bull run starts to happen, 2020 was the halving year. This is when the bull market is, all the coins going crazy and stuff like that. And we usually top 1 year after the halving, which is previous cycle is 2021. Okay. And then we have the bear market going into the 2021, which is around February, where price starts to drop. Almost similar to what's happened right now. Major top 2025, price starts to drop, and now we're entering 2026. 2026, right? So 2026, based on previous cycle, we should be at the bottom soon. Okay, soon. We should be at the bottom soon. There's no much left of the downside that we have. I probably think this is the best place to buy Bitcoin. Up below 60, of course, below 60, above 50, right around this area. This area is where you should be focusing on to buy Bitcoin, right? Below 50. Below 50 would be the best place around here. Focus yourself on buying Bitcoin here. If we get more discount at this low, right? This low, around below 40, all right? There should be a very mega discount because by that time, oh my bad, by that time, Bitcoin have already dropped around 65%, which is not that unusual, but usually that's the case for the bear market, around 40 to 70%. Because based on the previous market, from the top of $69,000, Bitcoin fall to the bottom around 77%. 77%. But the thing that you need to take account is this cycle we have institution and there's also diminished return in the cycle. So we may not see the big fall until 77%. 77 is around 25K. That can almost feel impossible for the market. But if we get there, I don't mind buying more Bitcoin. Okay, I don't mind buying more Bitcoin because Bitcoin is still young compared to the S&P 500, compared to the Dow Jones, compared to the Nasdaq. It's still a developing technology. Blockchain and Web3 is the new Web3. Okay, so seeing this 77 or 80% drop in the market may not be the best case, but or the most possible case because everyone wants to buy Bitcoin right now, especially when Michael Saylor is uh you know encouraging people to buy it. So companies of course want to buy Bitcoin. So whenever we see a drop below 50K, below 55, below 40, of course they will be going all in into Bitcoin. They want to start accumulating this. Institutions are going heavy on it. Tokenization is real. So for us, for retailers, start to DCA Bitcoin once we get below 60. Below 60 starts to DCA. Probably a few $100s per month or per week. Get the number of Bitcoin up in your wallet. All right? This is for Bitcoin. And my overview for the market is we may see a drop in April, right? We may see a big drop in April because we are consolidating right now. Okay, this consolidation is not that good, right? Just same as this consolidation. We are seeing a further drop. This might lead to a further drop. How low is going to be, I don't mind and I don't care. But as long as we see the drop below 60, I will start to buy there. And probably that's when the market starts to, stabilize. Based on the previous market, as you can see, when the market top, we have a consolidation in April. Okay, in April. From January, February, March, April, 4 months, but this is probably shorter from December to February. In the February, we see a drop. Right now, we're in March going into April. So we see the first consolidation here. And then we see the big drop, another consolidation. And then going into the summer, we see another, capitulation in the market and it starts to stabilize. This is when the market starts to stabilize. After the final drop going into the summer of, you know, another halving year the next year. So I expect the same scenario to play out. The market starts to drop once again and stabilize around here. Okay, similar time frame, probably by October, November this year, the market may recover back. Depends on how the Feds react to the current, I don't know, recession that we're going through based on the S&P 500. Right, my expectation on S&P, we still have more downside to go through. We might see a rebound and then fall through lower. This is based on the year 2021, of course, the same year, right? We see a curve in the market after rising V recovery. This is a V recovery, right? From COVID happened, the market rally, a V recovery, right? There's no base here, just directly rally, break the all-time highs, and then we see a drop into midterm year. This is what happened once again. This is tariff. The market drop, break all-time highs with a V recovery, and we might see the similar drop what happened here in midterm year. Okay, hope you guys understand that part. I will probably start buying stocks if they show a sign of strength, around here, around at this price when the S&P gets to 6,000. So it's not it's still deep. That's quite a deep correction for the market, but it's probable because the market is very frothy right now, and the oil is going higher. Let's see oil for a moment. I hope you guys really focus with what I posted before in the chat because I only post quality charts that I updated. All right, oil. I gave you this price when oil starts to break out before the war. Now price broke out with the war coming in, and we are about to see new highs getting broken by US oil as price starts to continue the momentum here. Still, it still wants to go up. It still wants to go up. If it doesn't break 130, at least it will go sweep for this 121 and starts going lower back. But there's still plenty of room for oil to climb. Okay, I don't doubt that. I don't doubt that. Okay, so yeah, just keep imagining the worst case scenario in your head because you need to be prepared of it. Otherwise, stay in cash and follow the plan. If Bitcoin starts to go below 60, DCA. The market, SPX starts to go to 6,000, DCA. If you don't see any of that yet, don't go into the market yet. Just be patient. Sit on your cash, sit on your hands. All right. Don't do anything stupid just because you want to be invested. Sometimes being invested is a stupid thing to do because you need to be sit in cash. But sometimes sitting in cash is also stupid in the good market. So you need to make sure that your market cycle and timing is right. For Solana, it's not looking that good, to be honest. It's not looking that good. After price breakdown a major support and it starts to do a flag pattern here, this is not a good sign. This is not a good sign. Especially when the market is in a brink of fall. When you know Bitcoin is going to fall, Solana is not going to go higher. All right, Solana is going to fall even more. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going nowhere for the past wow, for the past 6 months, not going anywhere. It's just sitting at that place. If altcoin falls even more, Bitcoin dominance might start to climb back to this 64%. So just be aware. And the total crypto market cap, I still see more downside from the previous cycle here. You can see we consolidate after the market top. We consolidate here just like we did, and we see a further drop down, breaking the structure of the previous bull. Right? I think this is what we're about to see. We are currently defending that, but another leg down in Bitcoin will bring everything lower. That's just the big concept. So don't be in a rush to collect in this current market because discount will come. Discount. There's going to be plenty of discount. There's also stocks and etc. I'm not gonna blabber too much. Okay. Do you guys have any question? There's very few of you here, but I appreciate you guys so much. I've been talking for like I don't know 20 minutes now. Just a catch up session with you guys. Any question? Any questions? Maybelline or John? Thank you so much for tuning in. I probably should be doing live, during a proper timing. Maybe at night in Korea when the US is already wake up. Please, any analysis on Bull? Is it the Bull coin? Is it a meme coin? Let me check. Let me check. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Hold on. I get you. I get you. Let me bring up my back screener. Oops, my bad. I believe it's this one. Bull. Let me go through. Let me go through it first. It's not my first time hearing this. I think I saw Bossman posting about it. Let me just go through it first. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna check is how the chart is right now. It's currently uptrending. Volume is very healthy, very very healthy. Um, let's check out the Twitter for a moment. This is a very new coin. I forgot to check. 8 days ago. So it's already past 1 week. Bull, small following, followed by Mumu the Bull. I see, I see. It's probably the similar cabal. You see Shmoo here? He's a cabal. He's a cabal. I think he's pushing the coin. Yeah, he is pushing the coin. Another one. Crypto God John is pushing the coin. You see all this, people that commented. Lex, Levi, Crypto Chef, Cash, all this are in it. If you see they're commenting it, they're in the coin. Okay, that's the first. Second, uh, following from what I see, Spider probably in the coin too. Mumu, the previous Mumu, the Mumu meme coin back then that ran very high, but then just die all over again. It's in the coin too. Keep take note of this following that I have right now. They're probably in the coin, so they have what I mean when they are in the coin is they have the supply, right? They have the supply, so you need to take note of that. They have the supply, and yeah, that's that. That's a Twitter. TikTok. Do they have any posts on TikTok, or they just make the link there? They do have a post. They are working on it. Um, yeah, just AI video. This is an AI video. It's fine. It's good effort. Instagram too. I think they want to do the same thing again. Like Mumu. Few followings here. That's great. Few following here. That's great. They want to do the same as Mumu, the bull, but Mumu happened to be in a very low density meme coin market, and when the market is not, it's in a bull market. We are in a bull market right now. We're about to enter bear market. So if you can see from here, bull consolidates. After it launched, consolidate because nobody hear about it, nobody knows about it. It consolidated in this range, right, for about 5 days. And when it starts, when people starts mentioning of it, when Shmoo starts posting, when all the KL starts posting about it, this is where we get the big push. When the market starts to climb, consolidate, climb, I'm probably gonna go consolidate again. If you want to know if bull was able to climb even higher, we need to see momentum. We have to monitor all this holder. All of them. They have the supply here. If they don't start to sell off from a different wallet and stuff like that, it can hold. It can hold. Based on the chart itself, it should be needs to hold at this low. If it hold this low around 800k, 700k, and it reclaims back that 1 million floor, it may go, 5 or 3 to 5, 3 to 5 above here, just break out all the all-time high. But this current move, from this consolidation point is already, it's already looking good. It's already looking good. Just take this into account. You have a long consolidation here for a few days, and then you see this big rally, which is probably 5x, right? Yeah, 4x or something. In this current market, this is big. This is big enough. All right, this is big enough. So you have to see a consolidation back so that price is able to climb higher. Otherwise, from here onwards, and you buy it here or you buy it at this support, it won't just easily climb like that. Especially in this current market environment, you need to take that into account. So this big volume here is someone, aping bunch of supply or buying into FOMO and then price retrace and break higher. He is also in profit right now. So take that into account. People in profit want to take profit in this current market. So the sell-off is imminent. Either it's going to be here or back to 500k and consolidate once again. And buy in confirmation. Don't buy when it gets deep. Don't just buy it when price starts to go here. No, You need to wait for the market to structure back. When price you see strength here, another base, another base to the right side, that's when you want to buy. Okay, that's when you want to buy. If it just touches this support, it may broke it to go even lower, right? Even here, it might broke go even lower, and when you know it, price is already back at 100K, and you're gonna regret your life. So this market, be patient. If you're in profit, take your profit, scale out. If you want to buy in, look at these two levels, right? 800K, 400K. This is a good level for you to monitor, all right? Don't just buy, it's monitor. So yeah, that's my opinion. Any other question? You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for asking question, man. You are entertaining me. So yeah, any more question? I'm just waiting for you guys. Um how long have you been trading for? I've been trading since I've been trading since I'm 17, 18. It's been 5 years. It's been 5 years. And right now, I'm not gonna say I'm profitable, but overall, I'm still green. But it's just different market condition brings you different opportunities. So I have to adapt. So the adapting part is the hard part because things change, right, in the market. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, 5 years. 5 years is fairly a lot, but there's still plenty of more things to learn in the market. Uh, I'm doing something else here. Hold on. I just got a message. Yeah, I think that's just it. I gotta go. There's few things I need to do right now. Um, yeah, thank you so much for staying. I'm sorry I got caught off guard. I have another work coming in. So yeah, it's good catching up. It's been half an hour. Thank you so much for joining us. There's like few people in here, but I appreciate you guys a lot. I'm gonna come back and entertain you guys. I love doing live and stuff. Thank you so much, Druff. You've been very nice to me. Maybelline, you've been very kind, and all of you here. So I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. All right. I'll see you soon. Have a good one too, Hugh. Thank you so much. Good day to you guys. Good day to you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao from Bobby.